Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more war matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Familiarize yourself with the map. Learn the layout, popular drop zones, and high traffic areas. Choose loadout wisely. Customize loadout that suits your playstyle. Considering weapons, perks, and equipment. Communicate with teammates. Coordinate strategies, designated roles, and share intel during the match. Study weapon stats. Understand weapon strengths, recall patterns, and effective ranges to choose the best tools for each engagement. Practice aim and movement. Improve accuracy and mobility through regular practice sessions. Optimal landing. Aim for less congested area initially to gear up without immediate threats. Collect cash quickly. Prioritize looting cash to buy equipment, revive teammates, or access kill streaks. Gather equipment efficiently. Pick up armor plates, weapons, and utilities swiftly to prepare for engagements. Use UAVs and heartbeat sensors. Utilize UAVs for enemy location and heartbeat sensors for nearby threats. Rotate strategically. Move towards the safe zone early and avoid open areas to minimize exposure. Engage in team fights. Coordinate with teammates to overwhelm opponents and secure kills. Adapt to changing circumstances. Adjust tactics based on circle movements and enemy position. Utilize high ground. Position yourself advantageously, such as rooftops or elevated terrain for better visibility and cover. Monitor supply drops. Ambush enemies going for supply drops or secure them from better gear. Manage cash wisely. Prioritize spending on essential items like armor, UAVs, or self-revives in the final circle. Coordinate kill streak usage. Coordinate UAVs, airstrikes, or cluster strikes to disrupt enemy position. Communication and coordination. Call out enemy positions. Communicate enemy sightings promptly and accurately. And revive teammates promptly. And that's how to win more war matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.